Hello, Mohammed Anis here with another tutorial for FXhome's non-destructive compositing Swiss knife, Imerge Pro. Got a request on the forum to see how this photo's done. Let's get it done. Couple of things. First, yes, this photo is underexposed. Yes, when we do expose this, we're going to notice a lot of grain. However, given that he's aesthetically pleasing enough to make that grain look good, I don't care. Look at him flex that grain. For the lighting, as Trime23 surmised, this was a high-key lighting situation. In fact, I don't think this light box would cost you any more than $25. I mean, look at how flimsy this thing's got. It's like a dead jellyfish glowing in the dark. Turn that on, get him into a dark room, slap a white lens on, and shoot. Now, import. First things first, throw in a black and white effect. Next, Exposure Pro. Crank up the whites, midtones, crush the blacks. To make those muscles shine, crank up the highlights into overdrive and abuse the living crap out of it. Last but not least, clarity. I threw clarity on, really dialed it up, duplicated it. And if you're still not happy with it, just throw in a high pass sharpen just to really bring out those abs. As for the machines and all the ventilation system, a simple black solid that masks all of them out, and that's it. Not much else I can do, really. He did the heavy lifting.